The 2026 Suzuki Carry van continues its reputation as a compact, durable, and highly functional commercial vehicle, offering improved practicality while staying faithful to its traditional simple design. In the latest model, Suzuki focuses on refinement rather than reinvention, giving small businesses, fleet owners, and family users a reliable and economical transport solution. The exterior has a clean, boxy layout designed to maximize interior volume, and while it isn't flashy, its purposeful look appeals to those who prioritize utility over style. From the rear, the van displays a vertically oriented taillight setup paired with a wide rear window for improved visibility. The bumper is solid and functional, emphasizing protection and ease of maintenance. The proportions remain compact, allowing the van to maneuver effortlessly through tight streets and congested marketplaces. These elements make the 2026 Carry particularly suitable for urban environments where agility is as important as capacity. The dual sliding doors on each side increase accessibility, making loading and unloading significantly easier. This is especially beneficial for courier services, school transport, and small cargo operations. Even though the design is minimal, Suzuki has ensured that every panel and curve has a purpose, contributing to improved aerodynamics and eliminating unnecessary weight. Inside, the cabin is simple yet ergonomic, offering a clean dashboard layout with intuitive controls. While it remains a budget-friendly van, Suzuki has upgraded the interior materials slightly to provide a more refined feel compared to previous generations. The seating position is elevated, providing a commanding view of the road and making the van easier to handle for drivers of all experience levels. Space efficiency is one of the strongest qualities of the 2026 Carry. The interior cargo area is boxy and practical, designed to accommodate various types of goods or additional passenger seating depending on the configuration. Suzuki understands that versatility is key, and the van supports multiple layout options to fit different business needs. Under the hood, the 2026 model continues to rely on a fuel-efficient small-displacement engine known for reliability rather than raw power. Although the performance may not be thrilling, it delivers consistent mileage, which is a major advantage for daily commercial use. Its light body structure complements the engine well, allowing the van to feel nimble even with moderate load. The suspension setup is tuned for durability and comfort, striking a balance that keeps the vehicle stable on uneven roads. While the ride can feel slightly firm when unloaded, it becomes smoother once cargo or passengers are added. This characteristic makes it suitable for both city and semi-rural routes. In terms of handling, the 2026 Carry offers excellent control in tight spaces. The compact turning radius makes parking effortless, and the steering is responsive enough to ensure confidence at lower speeds. At higher speeds, it remains stable if not overly dynamic, favoring safety and predictability over sportiness. Safety features have been modestly improved, with strengthened body panels and updated braking systems. Though it may not carry advanced driver assistance technologies, it still provides the essential safety measures that small businesses expect in a practical van. Suzuki keeps maintenance costs low by using widely available parts. Another key advantage of the Carry is its affordability. Suzuki remains committed to keeping the van competitively priced, making it accessible for entrepreneurs, ride services, delivery companies, and families needing a multi-purpose vehicle. The value for money proposition continues to be one of the strongest selling points of the model. Fuel economy remains a highlight, helping users keep operational costs at a minimum. The engine tuning, lightweight structure, and efficient transmission work together to reduce fuel consumption even in stop-and-go traffic. This efficiency is particularly beneficial for businesses operating daily routes. The 2026 model offers decent noise insulation for a van in this category. Engine and road noise are present but controlled enough to make longer trips manageable. This refinement aligns well with Suzuki's strategy to offer a more comfortable overall driving experience. Durability is another area where the Carry shines. Built with sturdy components and a simple mechanical structure, it withstands rough usage common in commercial environments. Owners often appreciate how well the van holds value over time due to its reliability and low upkeep costs. The exterior design, though basic, remains iconic in many regions. Its recognizable shape and dependable performance make it a favored option among transporters. The van's practical aesthetic reflects its purpose-driven engineering, appealing to those who prioritize function over appearance. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Carry van is a compact workhorse designed for reliability, ease of use, and economic operation. It doesn't aim to impress with luxury or high-tech features, but it excels in providing solid performance for everyday tasks. For businesses and individuals looking for a dependable and cost-effective van, the Suzuki Carry continues to stand as one of the most trusted options in its class.